Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something from the past. This is the Lautie Noiz E and it's in Zirc. Yeah, you got it right, guys. So, 99 made. This has become something so hard to get, which has become like a true grail. You get the old Lautie box, couple stickers down below, and here you get to see this Lautie Noiz E with some treats, yellow treats installed right over there. Very cool spinner, guys, I am telling you. Let's quickly check the weight. This size first. You get 38 millimeters in width and 26 in height. You can easily remove the button right over here. You get to see the engravings on the inside, which is attesting the genuinity of this product. Of course, 99 made. Very hard to find. You can even like use it as a ring spinner, of course. Beautifully done. These buttons are solid Zirc. This is a fantastic, this is a classic spinner. Gorgeously sounding. Now you see, this is not the actual spinning speed, of course. This is like the frame rate of the camera. This guy is spinning for a long time. So, Noiz E, what is the difference with the Noiz OG in Zirc, by the way? So you see the button is, of course, different. You see, of course, the ability to separate the two sides to install the treats, and you get these T6, I believe, or T5 Torx bit screw on one side. You have the same ridges, the same height, the same size, but of course you have different wings. You have the middle line, of course, and yeah, it's pretty different. So this is the Noiz E, right? And it's the ability to install treats. It's in Zirc. It's a gorgeous one. It's 99 made. It's like a very cool sounding and resounding spinner over here, especially the Zirc one has that heft to it, which is fantastic. It's my preferred design for sure. And if you want to see how the Nano is, like this fella next to that, yeah, that's pretty much the size of it. But here we are checking out the Noiz E from Lautie. Gorgeous grail from the past. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.